seen a wild one now. It's a wild one. A wild one. He can't leave that inhabitants though. Otherwise he's... Don't worry, I'll delete this video. So that the wild one can live in prosperity and alone. Do you want to live alone, wild one? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay, now we're just going to keep on going. The wild one is so cute and cuddly though. Is that a bird? I think I see a bird over there. It's a wild bird. There we go. Now I can turn around. And now we can go visit the wild one again. What's up, wild one? What's up? What's up? I'll delete this video. You'll live alone. Don't worry. I'm just gonna trim your habitat real quick. I'll leave you soon. Don't worry, wild one. I'm giving your dad a haircut right now, okay? Here is his dad's bald spot with the roots in his head. There's the wild one over there kicking his leg. Over there's the wild one. There's a semi-select only behind the wild one. The wild one is so cute, cuddly. Don't worry guys, I'm perfectly fine. Over there at the end of his head, I'm not gonna go do that right now. There we go. No, I'm gonna do a little trim right here. No. Oh my god, it's a butterfly. Let's see how much. Okay. The wild one is kicking his leg over there. So relaxing just driving here. So relaxing. It's a bird. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh no. The wild one has escaped. English or Spanish? Oh crap, the wild one is... No, What you say to me, boy? I said English or Spanish. Whoever moves first is not gay. Hey, I moved first. Hey, there's still 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm happy.
No. The wild one wants to help me. There we go, it's powered back up. I better turn this down a little bit though. There we go. Oh wait, it's way too slow. Fourth gear. But like, guys, I'm gonna be dead serious about the Oliver tree thing. That's just sad. I can't believe that actually happened though. I hope everybody that was influenced or like saw it or something, if you just know him or something, I hope that you, okay, we're gonna go back to this video. Now it's the wild one. I think he took a poo-poo. Go! adjustment job is going to make sure you are pretty fine. Okay, so a minute break. Do make sure the dirt. The last one is perfectly fine. Here's some banana. Okay, I gave him some banana. That should keep him happy for a little bit. Going through the trees, going through the trees. That was fun. They see me rolling. I'm not falling. They see me rolling. Not. Oh my God! I almost dropped my phone. That would have been very, very bad if I would have dropped my phone. I'm gonna show the wild ones some pictures real quick. Three, two, no. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh crap, I made the wild one angry. Ah! Oh, that was, oh my nuts. Oh. No! He's after me, guys. Oh crap, he's winning. I'm gonna make sure I don't hit him. I'm not that mean to wildlife. I hate you, wild one. Oh crap. The wild one, it flees me. I'm going to escape. He's never going to find me ever again. He'll never find me. Oh crap, he can't find me. This glass is actually really, really short. Oh crap. This glass is really, really short. That's not long enough. See, look. It's too short. I'm going to have to go this way. There we go. They see me rolling. I'm balling. They see me rolling. I'm balling. They see me rolling. I'm balling. What time is it? 1 minute. They see me rolling. I think the wild one wants to ride the lawnmower. So I'll do it for him. I'm gonna go up down and turn around and you get to ride it now. The wild one is right there. I need to turn around, but he's in my way. I'm just gonna do it. Ow! The wild one struck the lawnmower. He's so nude. No! He's so nude. It's a hat. Oh my God. Push me off, push me off, push me off, push me, push me. Oh, crap, the wild one. He pushed me off. I'm dead. I will find a way. Like that lawnmower anyways. Let's play some basketball. But yeah, seriously, if you guys couldn't hear me earlier, I was talking about Oliver Tree and what happened to him. I'm so bad. I feel so bad about that. Okay, try again. I feel so bad about the Oliver Tree thing.